So in this video, you'll learn how to change the language on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you want to change the system language of your phone, it's fairly simple. Start by opening the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option General Management. Under General Management, tap on Language. Then from here, you can see your current system language. In order for you to change it, select Add Language, and then scroll through the list of language options available. You can also just search for the language itself. So you can type in the language name, select search, and you'll be given the language as well as the various regions if applicable. So for example, if you are searching for something like English, then you should see different regions related to the English. So all you need to do is just search for your language, select the applicable region, and then once you've done that, just confirm that you wish to set the language as the default. Wait a few seconds for the changes to be loaded. And once loaded, you can see that you've successfully changed the system language of your phone. You can also navigate back to the home screen and apps drawer, and you'll notice that everything has switched to their language equivalent. So for me, it's French, so it's switched to the French equivalent of these app names. So enjoy using your phone in a brand new language on your Galaxy A36. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.